Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, welcome if you're new. I am Rachel. I'm a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And one of my favorite things to do on this channel is to buy liquidation inventory for my reseller business and unbox it here on this channel. So if you want to see what I got this time, this is the new without tag outlet redone denim new with tag box. So if you want to see what they sent me this time, definitely stick around. So I have only ordered from New Without Tag Outlet a couple of times, and my last couple have been really good. So they dropped this redone denim box and I was excited. I had to pick it up. The cost per piece is a little bit hefty, but I think if this really is all new with tag denim, it should be well worth the cost. So if you like reseller content, certainly consider subscribing to my channel. I do lots of unboxings and then I come back 90 days later and I talk about what sold out of the box, how much money I made, and whether or not I would recommend the box or if I would buy another one based on the actual results. So consider also dropping this video a like. That does help out my channel a lot as well. So this box was specifically the new with tag denim box. I believe that they had a redone denim new without tag box and a redone denim samples box. I'm not really sure. I can post it here if it's still available by the time this video goes live. But I opted to get the new with tag denim. So I am expecting all 25 pair of jeans to be brand new with tags. Also, probably in this box, I just did an add-on to my order, are 5 pieces of men's rag and bone denim. They had a box. They have a lot of duplicates of the same style of rag and bone jeans. And so when I got my rag and bone box, and I can actually link the unboxing for that down below if you want to watch it. There were 2 pair of this specific style of jean in that box, and both of them sold quickly. So I decided to just grab a box of 5 of those. So those are in here too. But anyway, the redone box was 25 pieces for $700, making that cost $28 per piece. And then the rag and bone jeans for 5 pieces new without tag or new with tag was $90, so $18 per piece. I do have a 15% off code. If you are shopping on newwithouttagOutlet.com, you can use the code OHYEAH and take 15% off your order. I also have a link down below if you're shopping the New Without Tag website, or if you want to order this box or something else on the site. Definitely consider using the code, take the 15% off. You get a little discount. I get a little bit of site credit and it works out for both of us. New Without Tag Outlet does not do free shipping. So shipping is calculated based on where you live relative to where they are. And this came from California. So I live in Georgia. And so this shipped across the country for $59.70. If you live closer to them, if you're on the West Coast somewhere, it may not cost quite as much for shipping. So anyway, let me go ahead and open this up. Box is sealed. I do not like opening the boxes if I can help it. I try not to open the box until the camera's rolling. So you can see what I see, you get my raw reaction. And then after I open the box, I get to work. I list on at least eBay, Poshmark, Mercari. I do use List Perfectly. I draft all my listings in the List Perfectly catalog, and then I can cascade them very quickly to at least those 3 platforms. Sometimes I list to a 4th or 5th platform depending on what the brand is and, you know, the different niche platforms where it kind of goes. Oh, I see. So it's got some tissue paper on top. I will definitely save for future packing. And then I think the redone denim is separated by another piece of tissue paper. So anyway, let me just show you these real quick since they're on top. These are the rag and bone men's jean. They are the Fit 2 Slim jeans in gray. So these are all the same. I'll just run through them. These I would say are new without tag because they only have this. They don't have any like hanging tags. These are a size 28. And then here's a couple in bags, a size 31, and these are new with tag. 32 new with tag. These are new with tag, size 29. And these are 30 by 30 new with tag. Okay, so I got 4 new with tag, 1 new without tag. They're all different sizes. They are all the same style. These button fly fit too slim. We'll just include these in with this box. I think the last box I got a size 31 and a size 36, and they both sold within a couple of weeks. So I feel like that was well worth the $18 a piece, especially because I was already have something shipped to me. So to just add it into the bundle, it didn't add really to the shipping cost. So I figured that was the smart move. Hopefully I'm right. Ulith also packaged the redone denim, which is separated by a piece of tissue paper. Okay, and then the redone denim is just kind of folded up in there. So let's take a look. I am expecting, and I'm going to say it again, I am expecting that everything in here is new with tag, because they had their boxes separated out, new with tag and new without tag, and the box that was new with tag was slightly higher in price. So I don't expect to find any that do not have tags. I guess we'll see. So these are shorts. So these are definitely a sample because they have like the writing on the tag, which is okay. I'm not worried about that. And they do have a tag. They're size 26. Size 25. You know, and I've never sold redone. I just know that it retails for pretty high. So my apology, I'm not super familiar with these style names and stuff on these, and it doesn't look like it says it on the tag. There are some description, like this is hazy indigo wash, and there is a style name on the tag, so it should be pretty easy for me to find like details and descriptions about the style. It just doesn't say it on the tag like some brands do. These are pink. I wouldn't really call these denim. These are like khakis. Size. Oh, these don't have a size tag. The size tag is missing from these. Oh, well, yeah, they are from the inside, but it does have the size on this tag. Size 26. It's the 70s trouser in washed bubble gum. All right. This is a learning experience for me. Like I said, I've never tried to sell this brand before. So hopefully this is good stuff. This is a size 26 rigid, like the high-rise skinny boot. Okay, so high-rise skinny boot. Where's the boot? Oh, I see. It's got a split. And there's size 26. I wonder if there's going to be duplicate styles in here. I'm not sure. This is also a size 26. These are definitely some flare jeans. Low-rise bell-bottom, 70s low-rise bell-bottom. Ooh, these have a retail price of $2.95, so that's exciting. Hopefully these are sought after. So far, smaller sizes, but I'm not too worried about that. These are a size 25. These are, whatever they are, definitely high-rise. Medium fade, and it's just got a style. Oh, ultra high-rise crop. It's right there. It's right there in the pocket. Ultra high-rise crop. These are the ankle high-rise crop. It's right there on this tag, in case I missed it on the bottom tag. And these are a size 26. These are the long denim skirt replacing midi skirt. Like literally, that's what it says. Long denim skirt replacing midi skirt. with a very, very high slit. I personally do not have great luck selling denim skirts, so we'll have to see how that does. Oh my gosh, these feel like old school men's Wranglers. This is the super high drain pipe rigid like. Size 25. Look at the rise on these things. My gosh. On a size 25, that's very, very high rise. And they have like an ankle zipper on them. Oh, bigger size. Size 32. These are white. I don't see anything wrong with them on the front here. $285 90s crop low slung. Uh-oh. Are all the 90s jeans going out of style? Because a lot of the Good American jeans I got are 90s jeans. Now these are 90s jeans. Like, are we done with the 90s style? I like the 90s style. These are a size 29. The 90s high-rise loose jeans. Yeah, these are very much like the Good American jeans. Very, very much. These have a $295 MSRP though. 90s high-rise loose. Are these the same? Yeah, I think these are the same as the last pair. These are a size 26. The others are a 29. That's fine. I'm sure if you've been watching my videos, you've heard me say it before. I really don't mind a duplicate or like the same pair, especially if it's different size, because it makes it very easy to just do a multi-quantity listing. These are a size 26. Iconic Heritage Silhouette. I feel like that's not the name. 70s low rise bell bottom. Okay, yeah. So we have another pair of these already. I don't remember what size the other one was. Okay, these are the 70s boot cut jeans. These are very similar to the low rise flare as far as like the fabric, the way it feels, but they're boot cut and they're definitely very heavy denim and they're high rise, not low rise. These have an MSRP of $295. These are the 70s stovepipe jeans. They're size 23. In my personal experience, and I know there's a buyer out there for everything, and I really believe that too. Size 23 though tends to be a harder sell, but there's a buyer out there for everything. So maybe these are the 70s stovepipe. These have an MSRP of $265. And those are button fly. Very high rise. These are I'm not sure what this is in the pocket. It looks like it's not a Polaroid, but it looks like a Polaroid. Like it's just a card that's made to look like a Polaroid. Okay. These are also a size 23 high-rise ankle cropped jeans. Also button fly. These are definitely stretchier than some of the other ones that we've seen so far. Oh, these are very interesting. So these are actually Levi's. They have the Levi's tag, redone Levi's collaboration. And they are definitely like reconstructed looking all the way. And they feel reconstructed too. Like somebody actually did some sewing on these. Interesting. And they're a size 25. Yeah, these are definitely a sample. Look at the tag. I almost wonder if these are like one of a kind. Very interesting. Well, stay tuned on that one. '90s high-rise loose. We've seen these already. Those are a size 25. The 80s peg leg. Size 25. Oh, wow. Wow, wow. That's a cool fit. And they're button fly. These are 90s high-rise ankle crop. Total bummer, these have a sensor. Oh my gosh, I still have a whole box of stuff that has sensors. I will just add these to the pile and maybe someday I will attempt to take the sensors off. Next up, these are actually corduroy. These are size 28 black corduroy. 70s pocket loose flare. Oh, they're navy. Just kidding, they're navy. Yeah, I guess they're flare. Sure. Hopefully I can find a stock photo of those. These are 70s stovepipe size 26. I think we had another pair of those, I think. Just a couple more, guys. Thanks for hanging with me. 90s high-rise ankle crop size 26. I think we had another pair of these. There's two more in here. Two more. I think, yeah. These are 90s high-rise ankle crop as well, size 30. Same as the others. And ooh, these are heavy. These are the 70s low-rise bell bottoms. So we've seen these already, but we've seen them in blue. So these are black and they're a size 31. So bigger size. That's pretty cool. Okay, so that is the end of the box. Let me go ahead and just count and make sure that I have 25 pair of jeans here. All right, so as far as the redone pieces, there are exactly 25. One is a pair of shorts, one is a skirt, two are pants, one has a sensor on it. But they are all 25 new with tag denim pieces. So that is as described. Plus I've got the 5 rag and bone that were my little add-on. So, heavy on the smaller sizes, couple pieces that are clearly samples. I feel like that is to be expected. I'm not mad about that. You know, I will sell every size that I get. That's no big deal. I guess we'll have to see. The MSRPs are pretty high on these, but $28 a piece plus shipping is a little bit steep. So hopefully I get a really good return on my investment. Definitely let me know in the comments below if you have any experience with this brand. Do you think that I would be able to, typically with liquidation, I want to double my money. So I want to make my $700 back plus another $700 with this. Let me know if you think I can do that. Also, as a reminder, if you are shopping New Without Tag Outlet, you can use code OEF for 15% off your order. If you're shopping on there anyway, you might as well get the discount. And make sure you subscribe. I'm going to get everything listed and I'll come back 90 days later to let you know what's sold and if I actually was able to double my money. So stay tuned for that. Drop me a like on the way out. That really does help out my channel a lot. And just leave me a comment either way. That helps out too. So that's it for today, though. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.